Students, today we will be learning about arc welding process and its working principle. Arc welding process is a fusion welding process in which heat is obtained or heat required for welding is obtained from the electric arc established between the tip of an electrode and workpiece surface. The electrode is first allowed to touch the workpiece and slightly withdrawn from it. Now, when the workpiece is touched by the electrode tip, the gases which are in the very close proximity in between the contact surface of electrode tip and workpiece, when the contact between the tip of electrode and workpiece is made, they get heated up and they become ionized, and a slight conductive medium or gas becomes conductive, and in the meantime this electrode tip is withdrawn, and therefore an ionized gas medium is made between the tip of electrode and work surface, and through that ionized medium or ionized air the current jumps across from electrode tip to the workpiece, and this is known as arc. In this welding, the heat contained in the arc is utilized to melt the workpiece material or even electrode material if the electrode used is of consumable type. And due to the melting of this workpiece material and electrode material, the joint is made. The temperature in this arc welding processes which is achieved generally is of the order of 6 to 7,000 degrees centigrade. In this welding process, we can use either AC power source or DC power source. Now we can say in this setup, one terminal of the power source is connected to the workpiece and another terminal of the power source is connected to the electrode, and electrode tip, when the circuit is switched on, the electrode is touched to the workpiece and later on thereby closing the circuit, and it is withdrawn little bit. In the meantime, what happens, the gas is ionized between the contact surfaces of workpiece and electrode tip, and the current starts jumping and flowing through that ionized gas from electrode tip to the workpiece, and the tremendous heat is generated and the temperature of the order of 6 to 7,000 degrees centigrade is achieved, which is capable enough to melt any metal available, and the welding can be done in this process. In this process, generally we use two types of electrode. One is consumable electrode, another is non-consumable electrode. Consumable electrodes are generally of the metal, or rather same as the base metal or same as the metal of workpiece, and the non-consumable electrodes are generally made of tungsten or graphite. Now, consumable electrodes can be further of two types, that is bare and coated one. These consumable electrodes during the arc welding, they are also melted and become part of the weld pool. The advantages of welding processes are that this is most versatile process and complicated shapes can be easily welded by this process, and the equipment which are used for welding are generally portable and less expensive. Welding can also be done in any position, either flat position or overhead position. Now disadvantages as far as is concerned, it is a very slow process and when welding control is difficult, and generally this process requires filler metal. This process is generally used in automobile, chemical, aircraft industries, in bridge construction, in shipbuilding, in boiler making, in vessel fabrication, etc. This was all about arc welding process.